This is the epinephrine signal transduction pathway. It starts with the epinephrine ligand that binds to the receptor beta-adrenergic protein, a G protein-coupled receptor, because it cannot cross the hydrophobic plasma membrane since it's hydrophilic. This activates G proteins on the inner side of the cell membrane. One of the G protein units disassociates and replaces GDP in yellow with GTP in orange. It will then travel to activate adenyl cyclase, which catalyzes the formation of CAMP from ATP. The CAMP will bind and activate protein kinase A, which activates another enzyme, phosphorylase. Phosphorylase can convert glycogen into glucose 6-phosphate, and it is then converted to glucose. This process causes epinephrine to start a reaction where glucose secretes from the liver cell into the bloodstream during stressful or fight-or-flight responses. The type of receptor involved on the target cell determines the response and downstream effects. This next process is called signal amplification, where a single external signal of epinephrine can trigger a cascade of events. Our model demonstrates signal amplification because a small initial signal from epinephrine is magnified through a cascade as seen when a G protein activated adenyl cyclase to catalyze the formation of many CAMP. That a single CAMP from the reaction ultimately leads to multiple reactions, enabling many responses in the formation of glucose. Epinephrine acts differently in other cell types because these other cells will have different subtypes of receptors that can trigger unique reactions. While the removal of epinephrine from a receptor site can turn off the signal completely by halting the cascade of events. Overall, this communication and coordination within the biological system in complex organisms shows how every part of a reaction is very small and distinct, but effective to the bigger picture. Just like epinephrine can trigger a reaction that creates a much larger purpose, contributing to the fight-or-flight response in the whole body, we are formed with a greater purpose when we are baptized and born again into the faith to unite in one body with Christ. Smaller decisions like how we connect with one another lead to our ultimate end, telos, and our purpose, that is in union with God, eternal happiness, and salvation.